Yo, hello guys, another lesson on Midjourney. It's going to be lesson number 7, I think. But before I started, I obviously want to introduce everybody who will accidentally came across my channel to the TOYGERS and why it's so amazing a project and why you should start to basically spin the wheel. So I'm just gonna spin a little bit. By the way, every 15 minutes that bar is going to basically be full of energy, so I'm not telling you to do this every 15 minutes, but just saying actually it's some lag. We don't see the wheel. It's the white square, white cube, but oh well, that is what it is. So those points basically you're just grinding. There's not really any specific time to do so. Basically, more points you accumulate would be better for you. Because that company, TOYGERS, will send you some nice stuff. So you can go through my ref, start to spinning the wheel. You can put your address over there and basically wait for announcement because they didn't announce yet when that's going to happen. I think it's going to happen this year. And they just announced like this year. I just paused because there's like alarm and I was trying to figure it out on OBS. Are you actually hearing that? But no, it's okay. It's gone now anyway. So yeah. So what I was talking about, they are announced this year they're going to do lots of stuff, and what you can expect get from them, but just playing this game, it's everything is high quality apparently. As you can see on the video on the corner, there is like a how the fuck am I supposed to point? Oh, finger. Okay, this direction. So in the corner you see there's a video creating the handmade toys, the TOYGERS, which you can buy them in the collectible app, but tab. But obviously you need to pay for them. The range is from $77 to even 300. And I'm not telling you to buy them. I'm just telling you you will get the same high quality stuff for free by just participating in this program. And it's much more to it. So yeah, it's going to be jewelry, hats, gloves. What's going to be candle sets and hoodies and robot toys. I don't know how the stuff looks like. They didn't really post yet anything. So I'm just basically telling you from the top of my head what I've read through the Telegram website and the X. I definitely will do lots of stuff about this brand. So stay tuned because you should be and you're supposed to be excited about this. If you like collectible things and especially for free, so just understand for free, you will get for free amazing stuff. So it's exciting. And also on top of that, those points we are going to be able to do the purchase within the game, which they're developing right now, but they didn't announce more than it's going to combine real world with the digital world. So those points you're actually grinding, you're just grinding for yourself for the future game. On top of that, you'll be able to stake those points if you're going to buy some toy at some point. I'm not getting like anything from promoting that. I'm just basically promoting that because I will have the percentage value of those points what you're doing. So ultimately, I will have more points than you, and then I hope I'm gonna get more gadgets. But my idea is to basically put those gadgets on giveaway for you guys anyway. So basically, by helping me, sort of you helping yourself, and then at the end of the day, you will get stuff from them. So yeah, by buying the toys, you can stake those toys, so you can have more points per day. It's not really like I mean, I have one. I just invested and I bought one, so it's not really like a big deal. And I'm just waiting to unlock something. I don't even know what's that, but I hope it's going to be something nice. But it seems like this unlocking wheel is like always in the same place. So I think it's just I need to wait for some announcements. So as you can see, I have the stake toy, and that's giving me like 20,000 extra points per day. Other than that, I'm gonna keep it because it's just one. So we're not gonna do for any giveaway or anything. It's just I hope actually to get like every toy from TOYGERS app just to have a collection. So and ultimately that giving me the more boxes. So $77 I spent, and then you can connect your wallet, which you don't need any exchange. And the only exchange you need is the country you live in to send the money to that exchange, and then from that exchange you can send to this platform straight away. So you don't really need to connect like your bank account with the exchange and then exchange with this. You're just basically going to exchange and just topping up that exchange, and you can just send money directly. So this is like my first purchase ever within the cryptocurrency world. But like I said, I'm super excited about this project, so I hope I will get something from it. Like I'm not talking about like a monetary value. I'm just hoping I'm gonna get gadgets so I can promote even farther my channel and this brand, and just have a good relationship with you guys and with that brand. And on top of that, I'm waiting to unlock the I'm waiting to unlock 6 minutes, 7 minutes. I'm waiting to unlock the toy builder, and when I'm going to unlock that toy builder, firstly we are going to have 10,000 points per day. So it's going to work the same way like you stake in. So you don't really need to buy a toy because you will have 10,000 points anyway per day just by unlocking the where is that? I think that's the first step. Excuse me, that's going to be here. I'm just confused now. Okay, so yeah, by unlocking this toy builder, you will get access to basically having or getting 10,000 points per day, which is huge because it's basically compound interest. You don't need to do anything, and you will have sustained income of those points, and those points are going to be utilized in the future game, which obviously like every game in Web3, they will introduce airdrops slash winning some cryptocurrency. So definitely it's worth to just get this game as soon as possible. So just right now, when you basically watching that video, and just get this up and start to grind points, because you will get value from this. And final note, after unlocking that toy builder, I don't know for sure yet how it's going to work, but obviously I will let you know. I'm just going to do like separate playlists of everything what I'm talking right now. But I'm just hoping to basically build my own toy, not just one, maybe even like 3 kind of toys. Like I have my YouTube logo, so I just want to use this one. I have like my the old gaming channel logo, like 2 arrows switchback, so I just want to use this one as well. I just hope the amount of yacht points is not going too high, or either the amount of money is not going too high to participate within that project. So yeah, we'll see. I don't know much about this, but it's just 3 days for me to unlock, because normally you have to. Well, everybody need 20 days, and every day after 24 hours you can click that to unlock. So obviously you will figure. Okay, okay. With that being said, I'm just going to jump to number 7, is it? Or 8? Brand mode. We are on the patterns. I don't know what number lesson is it, but I think it's 8. Patterns on Midjourney.
Creating unique patterns. We're diving into the vibrant world of pattern design with Midjourney. Imagine creating unique patterns that can be used for packaging new product lines or custom fabric patterns for fashion brands. Exciting, right? By the end of this lesson, you'll have the skills to design and sell your own unique patterns, adding a special touch to products and textiles. Let's get started on this creative journey. You received an order and need to create unique patterns for packaging and fabrics that will stand out in the market. Let's make your designs unforgettable. What is pattern design? Let's start with the basics. Usually, pattern design involves creating repeating visual elements that can be applied to various surfaces, such as packaging or fabrics. But we got creative, so pattern design can be diverse, encompassing a wide range of styles and applications. Patterns can be geometric, floral, abstract, or thematic, depending on the intended use and audience. The possibilities are endless. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. You can start applying what you've learned or skip for now.
What's the primary purpose of pattern design? To create isolated and unique images, to create visual appealing and repeatable design, to change the color of an object, to adjust the size of an image. Create visually appealing and repeatable designs. Isolating and unique images. The first one? Fuck knows. No, the second one. I thought about the second one. But... okay, fuck it. That doesn't matter. Like, doesn't fucking matter, because the only thing that matters is how you are going to prompt.
Designing patterns for packaging and fabrics. We will use the command #imagine in Midjourney to create these patterns. Ready to unleash your creativity? Designing packaging patterns. Start by choosing a theme for your packaging pattern. What kind of visual impact do you want your product to have? Let's create something. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice.
Blah blah blah.
You can start applying.
Okay. So I'm just gonna press whatever. That's me. And then I know right now I fucked up, so I can put this is correct answer. So we need to put imagine, create, floral, cosmetic. Imagine, create, floral. Okay. Imagine, create, floral. Okay. It's faster. And we can just crack on and go to the next one. Because ultimately what you want to do, you just want to create your own picture, so you're never going to use those examples anyway.
Designing fabric patterns. Next, choose a theme for your fabric pattern. It could be anything from geometric shapes to abstract designs, depending on the fashion brand's style. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Start applying what you've learned or skip for now.
Okay. I need to create geometric. Okay, create geometric. Okay. Create a geometric pattern for fashion fabric. Okay, next one.
Applying patterns to products. Once you've designed your patterns, you can apply them to mock-ups of products or fabrics to see how they look. Helps in visualizing the final product. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Start applying what you've learned or skip for now.
Okay. So I'm just gonna press random without reading. Flora cosmetic product. Okay, Flora cosmetic product mockup. Okay. Okay. Apply the floral pattern to cosmetic product mockup. Okay.
Marketing your patterns. To sell your patterns, you need to showcase them effectively. Create high-quality mockups and use social media, online portfolios, and e-commerce platforms to reach potential buyers. Practicing with pattern design. Let's practice creating prompts for designing and applying patterns to packaging and fabrics. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Start applying what you've learned or skip for now.
Okay, another, just pressing whatever, and then we see the answer. Floral pattern, pink colors. Okay, floral pattern, pink colors. Okie dokie. Imagine a floral pattern in pink colors on the sneakers mockup. Okay, next one.
Conclusion and next steps. Well done. Now learned how to design and apply unique patterns for packaging and fabrics. Till next time, keep creating and refining your patterns.
Okie dokie, so that's it. That's it for now. Then thank you very much, guys, for watching. See you guys in the next video. The next video is going to be block illustrations. So stay tuned for this one. And remember, grind your TOYGERS will, because you will have some nice fucking rewards. Nice rewards are going to be announced from that. Take care, bye for now.